Let us discuss few more questions of 6.3. This is the sixth one. The inequalities in question are x plus y is smaller than equal to 6 and x plus y is greater than equal to 4. Okay. So now if you look at the equation, यहीं से आपको थोड़ा idea आ जाएगा. Since your a1 upon a2 you can see is equal to b1 upon b2. So these will come out to be parallel lines. Okay. So as you can see out here also, if you plot it, for this the points will be 0, 6 and 6, 0. For this it would be 0, 4, 4, 0. Easy enough. So this way, this is your x plus y is equal to 4 passing through 0, 4 and 4, 0. This one 0, 6 and 6, 0. Okay, so you are clearly seeing parallel lines. We could have guessed that. Okay, and of course equal to sign था तो complete lines आएंगी. Now x plus y is smaller than 6. तो smaller than है तो नीचे को shading होगी. 0 smaller than 6. If you put 0 plus 0, 0 is smaller than 6, तो below the line हो जाएगी shading. For the other one, 0 is greater than 4 is a false result, so origin will not be part of solution. So the region other than the one which has origin, that would be above the line. Okay, so इसका below the line आ रहा है, इसका above the line, so that means this area, this region between these two lines is a solution set. Okay. Next, if you look at the eighth one, here we have graph x plus y is smaller than equal to 9. So that's easy enough. Again, 0 and 0, if you put 0, 9, 9, 0 से pass होगा and equal to sign is there, तो complete line आएगी. And the other inequality given to you, y is greater than x. Okay, again इसमें constant term नहीं है और constant is 0, so this would be passing through origin. Alright, and of course it has to be a dotted line because equal to sign is missing. And then also said x is greater than equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is your line y-axis. Y-axis is written as x is equal to 0. So x positive. That means to the right portion of our plane. Right. So if you draw the graph for this, will come out to be something like this. Okay. So that is your x plus y is equal to line and it was smaller than sign, right? For that, so smaller than, again if you put 0, 0, 0 smaller than line, true, so ye niche ko shading hogi. So this is how you actually need to present your answer. Okay, for the first few ones we were explaining, we were showing the shading of each and every inequality, but in your final resultant you have to just highlight the common region which has been done here. Okay, so iski below the line yahan pura shading hoga, that we have to understand. Then for the other line, which is y is equal to x, is this line. If you all remember, I think we must have discussed this earlier also in other classes. Y is equal to x. This is a line equally inclined to the coordinate axis. Okay, iska slope 1 aa raha hai. Okay, we'll do that later. If you right now, if you have a problem, you can do it as you used to do in your earlier classes. Takes values. If x is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. Because 0, 0 to chalega nahi isme, because we know that obviously that it will be passing through origin. So one point we already know. For the other point, we'll have to take some other point. So you can just take, say, x is 1, then y is 1, x is 2, y is 2. So any of the other point you can take. So, and this is how the line will come out to be, and it has to be dotted because equal to sign was not there, right? And then it was, the inequality was y is greater than x. So y is greater than x. If you want to decide the region, so आप इसमें origin तो हम check नहीं कर सकते हैं because origin is lying on the line. So we'll have to either take a point from this side or maybe this side. If suppose some child thinks of choosing this point, say, okay, 3, 0. So if you put that here, you would get 0 is greater than 3, which is a false result. So you know कि this is not part of your solution. ये वाला portion नहीं आएगा, इसका contrary other region, so that would be above the line. Okay, that is how you can guess. Maybe some child chose to take a point from here, which would be 0, 4. तो वो जब substitute करेगा उसका relation आएगा 4 is greater than 0, which is true. तो वो कहेगा okay, true. So this portion जहाँ ये point आ रहा है is my solution set. Okay, but आपको सारा नहीं लेना है. Why? There was one more inequality. X is greater than 0. So x is greater than 0, x is equal to 0 is this line, y-axis. Greater than 0 is this region. So 3 inequalities थी. See, उसने arrow से यहाँ पे आपको खाली shade करके दे दिया है. Alright, so it was x is greater than 0 and they have shown y is greater than 0. It was actually x is greater than 0, so you'll show the arrow this way, showing ki okay, this is for this bounding line, this is the solution set. For this line above is the solution set. For this below is the solution set. And the common region, कॉमन टू ऑल थ्री इज दिस ट्रायंगुलर रीजन. वो इस लाइन के इधर आ रहा है, इसके नीचे एंड इसके ऊपर, एज वी हैड कंक्लूडेड फॉर ईच ऑफ देम इंडिविजुअली. सो दिस इज फाइनल वेयर द शेडिंग वुड गो. Okay, so abhi question number, the earlier question, sixth one we saw, it was unbounded set. Okay, it was going up to infinity. ऐसे parallel lines आई थी and it was an unbounded solution. Infinite points आएंगे, but for this this is a bounded solution. See, only limited to this. Okay, this is not going up to infinity. Okay, now I'm taking up the last one from the exercise, and the last 3-4 ones are, there are many inequalities, I should say, in one question only. Okay, so like in the 15th one, you have one inequality, x plus 2y is smaller than 10 equal to 10, and x plus y is greater than equal to 1, x minus y is smaller than equal to 0. 3 here, and these non-zero inequalities, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. So as soon as I say this, x and y positive aa gaye dono. X is greater than 0, y axis, so to the right side of y axis. Y is greater than 0, y is equal to 0 is x axis, and y is greater than 0 means above x axis. So as soon as you see these two, x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0, we restrict ourselves to first quadrant. Okay, तो ये सीधे means हमारा जो solution होगा वो first quadrant में आएगा, because in first quadrant only we have x and y both positive. Okay, for next year this would be important. Okay, you'll get inequalities of this kind in questions there, where these two non-zero constraints come necessarily. Okay, so anyways, so if you have to do here, so there are, the working is exactly the same, nothing great here, and it's just that there are so many inequalities, so you need to focus a bit more. So that is the type of graph we will get. One of the line was x plus 2y is equal to 10. Again, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. So ये point आएगा आपका 0,5. If you put x is equal to 0, y is coming as 10 upon 2. For the other point, you would put y is equal to 0, then you get x as 10. So 10, 0. इन दोनों को join करके first line. Okay, and then for the inequality, the sign for this one was smaller than. Okay, so for smaller than, it's x is 0, y is 0, both of them 0. So 0 is smaller than 10, which is true. So the shading has to be below the line, right? Now for the second line, that is x minus y is equal to 0. This is same as the line we got earlier. X is equal to y. ठीक है, अगर इसको दूसरी साइड ले जाते हो आप, x is equal to y, which I told you is a line which passes through origin, of course, because there is no constant term or constant is 0, and it is equally inclined to the coordinate axis x and y. ठीक बीच से पास होती है ये. Okay, x is equal to y, because इसके points क्या आएंगे 1,1, 2,2, 3,3, 4, तो वो right in between आती है. That's your other line, and iska inequality was that our x minus y is smaller than equal to 0. Okay, so again, as I said, कोई भी point ले लो. Say ये point लेते हैं conveniently. Okay, so any point you can choose, and if I'm choosing this has coordinates 10, 0. So 10 minus 0 is 10 is smaller than 0 is false, of course. Okay, तो ये आपका solution का part नहीं है. तो इसके अलावा this line had divided the whole plane into this region and then other this region. So this is not your solution, because आपको यहाँ से condition मिल जा रही है 10 is smaller than 0, which is wrong. Okay, so the other part of it. और अगर by chance any other child would have chosen, say यहाँ से point ले लेता, say this one 0,6, इसको check करने के लिए, तो उसका resultant क्या आता? 0 minus 6 smaller than 0. Yes, minus 6 is smaller than 0. तो वो कहता okay, this would be where my solution is. This is part of my solution. So this point is falling on the portion above the line. तो इधर को shading होगी. Okay, तो ये arrow इधर को जाएगा. तो as I said, हम सबको नहीं दिखाते हैं, final solution ही दिखाएंगे. Okay, but वो we'll keep it in our mind कि इस line के above जा रहा है, इस line के below जा रहा है. There was one more line, x plus y is equal to 1. So that's 0,1, 1,0. ये आ गई line. And the sign of inequality was supposed to be greater. Okay, तो greater के लिए अगर आप यहाँ पे अगर 0 plus 0, that is 0 is greater than 1 is again false. 0 इज ग्रेटर देन 1 इज फॉल्स, तो ये 0 या ओरिजिन आपका बिलो द लाइन था, तो ये पोर्शन से शेडिंग में नहीं आएगा, इसका कॉन्ट्ररी आएगा, सो द शेडिंग विल गो अबव द लाइन. तो अबव दिस लाइन एंड बिलो दिस लाइन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स उसने फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट हमें पहले ही बोल दिया था, बिकॉज x वॉज ग्रेटर देन 0 एंड y वॉज ग्रेटर देन 0 एंड x वॉज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन 0. तो हमें फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट के बियॉन्ड तो जाना ही नहीं है, इन दी 3 क्वाड्रेंट्स में हमें नहीं देखना है, राइट. So the common solution would be this portion clearly. Okay, so that is how you have to present it.